Hey, what's up YouTubers? Today is January 27, 2017, 10:14 p.m. And once again, it happens every year. We always file taxes at the same place. And there's my father right here. And we're gonna go now and file our taxes. And a lot of things have changed, and I will tell you that later on when we finish it. Okay then, adios. Naka-ano ba?
Nakasindi na.
Nagre-record ka na?
I'm now viewing.
Pinindot mo na?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sige. Kung ano yung nakikita mo sa screen, yun lang nare-record.
Oh, siyempre.
Tsaka ako, kunin mo rin. Kunin mo nga ako. Huwag masyadong malapitan. So right now we are heading to, it's January 2017. We're heading to our tax. Every year we do this. Right now we are in Eden Shore. Those houses.
Eden Shore over there. Now back to the road.
Nakikita mo sa ibabaw na ibabaw. Dito sa top, sa gitna, may patak na pula.
Malaki, nawala na yun.
Tuldok na pula nagre-record. Yan, may tuldok na pula nagre-record.
May pula pala yun.
Oo, nagre-record yan. Pagka pinasil mo uli yun, mag-stop recording.
Oo, kasi sobrang liwanag eh.
Nagre-record ka na?
Yeah.
Ang sabihin mo sa akin?
It's now here.
Tapat mo sa akin. Huwag masyadong malapit. Ang lapit niyan eh. Sabi ko sa'yo, ang lapit sa mukha niyan eh. Yeah. So right now, we're hitting the 45 mile per hour road. So we're gonna go to Rocklin. This is it. We're heading to Rocklin. Rocklin, Union City. Suddenly it's a whole different world out here. Rocklin.
Okay.
So we are now in Rocklin. Wow. Pinisil mo na yung pula.
Yeah.
So right
Yeah,
now,
yeah.
here is Regent, like it used to be
You gotta
every year.
left turn.
Gonna go left.
Going to look for Monrovia.
Better be beautiful morning. The good thing about this is when you drive here in the morning, you can see the street and everything, but at night, it's very terrible. So I believe Monrovia is arriving right now. Here we go. This is Monrovia right here. Just like last year, every time. See, it's Monrovia. I have this, like I said last year, muscle memory. And then we're still gonna make a right in the other
And you
street.
look for Nilan.
Milan, yeah. I've been doing this for 4 years now in YouTube, so it's something that I'm very used to. Okay, here's the place as usual. See that Stupo. Okay, I'm just gonna make a U-turn here. The place is here. Okay, let's make a U-turn. U-turn, U-turn, U-turn. We're gonna make a ride, and then I'm gonna park on this unit right here. Okay, I'm gonna make this parking, and then
Okay.
as you can see right now, we are arriving on the destination, but actually we park in the wrong area, so we kind of walk a couple of blocks. And right now I'm doing the narration because when I do this, I don't want to be recording and speaking at the same time. So, and here we go. That's the famous hallway. We've been doing this for the last 4 years now in YouTube, and we've been filing taxes with the same person for the last 10, 13 years or so. And as you can see, my father is knocking on the door. And when the door opens, I plan to stop recording because those people doesn't want to be recorded. And you can see right now I'm waiting and waiting, and I look at the garden, so quiet and peaceful, and when the door opens, I will stop recording right there. Adios. Okay, so what's the time now? Today is January. Let me see the time, okay? Today is January 27, 2017. January 27, 2017, around 11:30 a.m. So it's been 1 hour. Anyway, I'm here with my father again. We just finished our taxes, and I'm receiving the same amount of money, and there's a lot of things changes from this year to last year.
A little expensive now.
No. Let me focus on what I have to say. Last year, I still have my old job, but now things have changed. I'm no longer working in the same company. I've been laid off for the last 50 days now, since December of 2016, and I really don't know how everything will end up. I have plans of searching for a new job, and we will see you again on December 2018 to file taxes. But at the time, I don't know what kind of life I have. Is it successful, or maybe winning the lottery? I don't know. So this is a very big change, right, Mr. Orlando?
Yeah, but it happens same as usual.
What do you mean, same as usual?
As usual, but a little additional.
What do you
Like in
mean?
payment, I don't know in what you receive, don't receive. You have a big state tax.
So all I have to say is the future is still uncertain, but I'm hoping for the best. Yes. And I don't have nothing to say. We will see you in the future on either January or February of 2018. So with that said, hope and pray that the future is much better. Okay then, adios.